So is your printer just printing out blank pieces of paper? This video is for you. I will make it quick because I know you guys here for the help. So the first step, so you gotta go to your maintenance and look for print head cleaning. Press start, run your printer through the print head cleaning, and that's it. This happened to me twice. The first time is when I was refilling my ink cartridges. I went to print out something that was printing blank. The second time it happened to me, I put it in travel mode. Took it out of travel mode, printing blanks. Both times, ran it through the maintenance print head cleaner, fixed the problem. Now when you're doing this, you make sure you see your ink levels drop when you run it through the cleaning. Simple fix. Thank you guys for watching.